Hi there, welcome to our channel. Wyze, which makes affordable security cameras and other smart devices, has announced its first smartwatch. And when I tell you it's affordable, I mean it's priced super cheap, costing just $20 at launch. For the price, it provides a lot of value. Of course, some of the features will be missing, but it does cost a mere $20. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's get started. The smartwatch is available in two sizes. A 47mm version with a 1.75-inch display and a 44mm version with a 1.4-inch display. The screen on both watches is a TFT 16-bit color LCD display with a resolution of 320x385 for the 47mm model and 320x320 for the 42mm model. Impressively, the frame is made up of aluminum alloy in both models. The bigger one has a 300mAh battery while the smaller one has a 260mAh battery. Both will provide up to 9 days of battery life, so you can literally wear it 24/7 without needing to charge. Except for the difference in screen size and of course battery capacity, the features are exactly the same in both watches. Alongside its heart rate and activity tracking capabilities, there is also a blood oxygen saturation monitor on board. That's a feature that everyone's looking for these days. There's also sleep monitoring, step counting and women specific features. The watch will also feature integration with Google Fit and Apple Health. The watch has an IP68 rating and is water resistant up to 2 meters. It supports app notifications from multiple popular apps including Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Gmail and Twitter. It also has support for music and video player apps. The product video shows a YouTube icon, so we presume you will be able to control playback from your wrist. You will also be able to reject phone calls using the watch. And since this is a Wyze product, they have added support for controlling your connected Wyze smart home products. So now you can turn cameras and lights on and off from your wrist and also access the Wyze shortcuts from the watch. Before you get too excited though, you have to know that there are some features missing, like there's no GPS, no cellular data or no standalone Wi-Fi. All that is taken care by your smartphone and smartwatch when connected to internet. Then there is no NFC for contactless payments, you can only read messages, you can't play music like directly from the watch itself, and it isn't compatible with any voice assistants. And Wyze is rocking its own software solution here, probably some custom version of Wear OS. But you know it's $20, and for that price, it appears to be a pretty impressive device. The Wyze watch is available for pre-order for $20 regardless of the size you choose. You can also purchase extra silicone strap for $4 a pair. There's a leather strap too, which will cost you $10. The Wyze watch will begin shipping in February 2021. So that's all for now. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.